Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Look at the weather today. It's quite nice. It's very sunny, but it is cold. It's not summer. It's just the sun is quite bright today, but yeah, it is very cold. I'm just going to collect my parcel from my friend's place because she collected for me because I wasn't home. Let's open it and see what's in this one. So yeah, let's get in. What I'm going to put it down and take up one item at a time. Okay, so this thing, so much packaging. Let's open this as well. So much of the plastic. Oh my god, okay, more packaging. We used to do that when we were kids. We used to put packets into packets and 50 packets for, like, as a birthday present for our friends. Okay, let's open this. What is this? Oh yeah, these are like tiny candles. This is how it looks like a, and they are handmade. Okay, I didn't see the description. These are handmade candles. Oh my god, that smells so nice. That actually smells so good. Okay, I didn't know they are scented candles. Yeah, okay, let's just open all of them. These are the candles. Oh god, that looks so cute. That is very cute. Okay, I got a little bit wax on my table. Maybe it's because of the packaging. Yeah, so that's that. Well, I don't know if I have ordered a tray for that as well. Let's see. Okay, these are the candles and they do smell so nice, like a rosy seashell. I don't know, it's a mixture of, yeah, like sea salt kind and some rose. The item is, see, I hate this one, these things, I always get hurt with that. All right, what is that? Okay, this is like a little glass jar. Okay, actually need some jars to put my salt and pepper because the other jars that I have, they are nearly gone. It's quite good quality though. It looks nice as well, and they are airtight. Next item is this. The dispenser. It's the soap dispenser. Yeah, because the soap dispenser that I have in my kitchen, the pump is not working anymore, so I needed a new one. So yeah, that's that. I have ordered a tray, silicone tray. Okay, in the picture it looked like a marble, so I thought it's a marble tray, but okay, that's a silicone tray. But all right, okay, it will do the job, no problem. But I really didn't see the description properly, so yeah, that's the silicone tray. These are for my shower, what that thing is called, the drain. Yes, because every time we take shower, the hair actually, how many are there? There are 3 in one packet. Next item is this. Okay, if it's deciding to come out, come on. didn't want it to leave that. Okay, and there you are. That's the set. That's a little vase. It's too small. What are we gonna put in this? Okay, in the picture it looks like a reasonable size, but it's too small. What I'm gonna put in there? Let's try. Okay, I had some flowers in my previous vase, but you know, the stems I have to, you see, I just turn them. I just have banded them all together, and then yeah, this is how, well, it looks nice though. Yeah, but it's too small. Yeah, all right, okay, will do for now. That was the thing, is when you order things online, because in the picture it looks reasonable sizes. The next item is this. I'm just gonna move these things away. I really don't remember what I have ordered. It took so long, and there are so many items. As I said before, I have ordered containers, and these are tin material. Okay, because I have the glass containers, and you know, glass actually gets very dirty, so I was like, every time I have to clean them. So yeah, these are new tea, coffee and sugar containers. Then I ordered, then is this thing. This is for my dressing table, like not really the dressing table, the side table, my bedside table. You know, sometimes when you just lie down and you're wearing, I don't really wear rings and all, but I do wear bracelets and my necklaces. Just take it out and put it on this. So that's that. And it started to rain now, so we are going to enjoy the weather with some coffee and cake, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.